Hi all! Nice to see you join the squad again. In this quick story, 13 minus 11, which equals 2 times 13 minus 11, which equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 times 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 13 minus 11 2. So we have 13 minus 11 times 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 11 times 2, which equals 22. So we have 13 minus 22. So 13 minus 22, which equals minus 9. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay updated.